Hello everyone, this is Anushka from CloudShope Technologies, and today I will be telling you about the Google Drive integration from our panel. So how can you integrate your Google Drive to our panel? So first of all, you need to go to our website, that is www.cloudshope.com. Coming to our website, you need to click on the login option and then you need to enter the username and the password that will be given by CloudShope. Once you click on the login option, the dashboard will be open in front of you. On the left-hand side, you can see all the options. You need to scroll it down to the settings, and then you need to click on plugins. Once you click on the plugins option, multiple options will be visible to you. On that options, you need to choose Google Drive. So you need to scroll it down, choose the Drive option. You need to click on Install Plugin. Once you click on the Install Plugin, this page will be visible to you. You need to click on Login, and then you need to choose the account from which you have to log in to the panel. While choosing the account, you need to give all the permissions. You need to click on all the checkbox and then click on continue. Once you click on the continue button, this page will be visible and it is authenticated. Now you are integrated from our panel. Now coming back to the panel and refreshing the page, you will be seeing the drive is integrated. Thank you so much.